how to ask ChatGPT to create a Word document for us. Now to do this process is very simple, quick and easy. Just follow these steps I will show you guys in this video. We will head over to ChatGPT and we will ask ChatGPT to answer this question, how to ask ChatGPT to make a document. And now ChatGPT would generate all the necessary stuff that we need to generate a proper Word document from ChatGPT. And this is the prompt that ChatGPT has given us that we can reuse according to our topic to create that Word document. Let's say we want to create a report. We can write this here, give example using your own prompt, and now ChatGPT will fill in that prompt that it provided us. For example, user prompt is this. Now, basically, generating anything from ChatGPT is very easy if you know the art of giving proper prompts to ChatGPT. Now here, as you guys can see, it has generated that everything that we're gonna need for our Word document, and here I can simply write of each paragraph, and it will do that for me on just like that. After that, I can go and ask ChatGPT to generate a Word file for this written in organized and in proper format, and it can make a document file for me as well. Let's just give this prompt and wait for a few seconds or a minute. It will take about a minute right here. We need to wait. And just like that, this is the response that ChatGPT has given us. Your Word document has been generated and is ready for download. And I can click on here. And my Word document is now downloaded, as you guys can see here. And if I open it now, as you guys can see, it has written all of those content very neatly and in a proper format, very neatly organized. That's how you can go and do this for you as well. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you guys in the next video.